Hi, everybody. My name is Mrs. Blyde. I currently am a seventh grade reading specialist, but I feel like I've taught everything, mostly seventh grade stuff, but science, math, the whole nine yards. And I love this idea of our classroom. And one of the things that I'm seeing people talk about is yes, we have so many online resources, but for parents who are new to these things, it can be very overwhelming. One of the things I wanted to showcase, I guess, so it's not a lesson really for students, it's really kind of a tutorial for parents that I have actually been using for my own kids is Khan Academy. Um, Even without a Khan Academy, I guess, account, subscription, whatever you want to call it, you actually have access to hundreds and hundreds of free lessons. I actually, before bed tonight, I was laying in bed with my first grader and we pulled up a video on missing number sequences. It was like really cool. They explain it in a really neat way. And I'm totally diving into it more tomorrow. So anyway, khanacademy.org is where you're going to go. Yes, you can get a membership, but I want to show you if you're a parent sitting at home trying to figure this out a little bit. I'm going to pretend like I haven't done this before. I'm just going to use my Google. My Google is actually linked to I guess my work. I teach in Corning, New York. So I haven't gone through all of this yet. Honestly, I just did the free stuff on my phone and I didn't have to do this. There is Academy Kids, which is really for like your like preschool to first grade age. I'm starting my Brody with that tomorrow. Now, let's just say that I have two nieces that live with me part-time who are seventh grade and ninth grade. So let's say that I wanted to do some earth sciencey stuff with my ninth grader. She is going to be taking the earth science regents in a few months here. And she has been having a bit of a rough time with some of the main concepts. So let's say I just click on the main thing. Again, no account, didn't pay anything. I just logged in with Google. Yippity doo. She was talking, actually, crazy. She was talking the other day about Pangea and how asking my husband and I if we knew about Pangea because we're like so old, apparently. So if I click on Pangea, first of all, they're going to give you a video. They're about 5 to 6 minutes long, typically in length. You could like start off right with watching the video, or you can go to the lesson and it'll explain to you like it's basically like how they suggest you go through this. After the video, there usually is like a series of quiz questions and things like that. But I just wanted to recommend it to you guys tonight because even something as simple as like spelling for first grade, they have so many different videos and articles and different programs that you can go through. My son is struggling even with like his CVC words and spelling. So I think probably tomorrow I'll pull up something like this, even just like basic grammar stuff. The bane of my existence, there, and there. Can we have every American watch that, please? But yeah, I kind of talked too long, but hop on. If you have any questions, I can get my contact information on our classroom. And happy learning. If you need anything more from me, let me know. Everybody have a great night.